Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you today on how you could swap your Solana for USDC on your Phantom wallet. It's super simple. It's probably the easiest video I'll probably ever make. So let's get right into it. Now, you're going to want to go on your Phantom wallet. Make sure that your Phantom wallet is actually funded with Solana. Now, once you do that, head over to the swap option right here, and almost immediately right away, it'll give you the option to swap your SOL for USDC right here. So all you have to do is put whatever amount you want to put in Solana, and then it's going to convert it into USDC, which is a stable coin. So you're just going to have the same amount of money until you then swap back to maybe a different crypto coin. But you're going to see right here the provider that you want to use. Usually it just gives you the best provider right away, as well as the fees and all of that. All you have to do is just click swap now, and then it'll go on ahead and swap the USDC or your Solana for USDC. So that's how you do it. It's very simple and it's super easy. So if you did find it helpful, leave a like, and I'll see you all until next time.